So you might be in this weird position where for some reason your video camera, aka your video quality on your iPhone, is great and it's good, but your microphone quality just isn't that great. Now you might hear my audio quality in this video, it might not be that great because I'm recording from my iPhone, but one of the things you can try making sure is your environment is good and everything like that. If you've already made sure of that, the first thing I recommend doing is making your way over to your settings application of your iPhone. So go and make your way over to your settings application and you'll come into a page that looks like this. Now what you're going to want to do is scroll all the way down until you see a little camera module button. So the camera module button is right here. All you're going to want to do is you want to tap on that camera button and this page is basically going to come up. Now what you're going to want to do here is you want to go ahead and find a little option that says record stereo sound. Now personally for me, I like keeping this option off. So I actually don't recommend keeping this on for the most part. Recording stereo sound, in my opinion, just doesn't sound great. So I recommend just disabling this. Now you can go through and disable and enable any other features you want to, but in my opinion, disabling that record stereo option can actually kind of make your video quality sound a little bit better. This is with stereo sound quality off, and it doesn't even sound that great. You should hear it with stereo sound on. Now another thing you may want to try doing is checking out the microphone holes across the body of your phone and just making sure that your phone quality in terms of your microphone is good and it's set. You do have a little microphone in the back of your specific iPhone right here too. So you may just want to make sure that that camera quality is good as well, or at least the microphone's cleaned out. Because if you have like a really big case on your phone or something that's kind of protruding around your device, that can also make your iPhone look and sound a little bit bad as well. So you may just want to go and make sure that's not the problem either. So those are pretty much the main ways to go and do it, at least in my opinion. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that means so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.